There is one lady is there named with Maria. Maria. There is a Maria. Maria. There is one lady is there. Maria Gonzalez. Okay. She is working in a big company. Observe very carefully. She is working in a big company. Her cabin is, there is very corner place. Okay. She is doing her job alone. Alone. She is the introvert. She is not in a position to communicate with any person. Even while coming also, she is not having the dare to see their face also. Forget about seeing in their eyes, eye contact. Forget about that. She is not having the dare. She is not interested to see their face also. Just keep head down and then coming to the office, and then even we have such a type of people in our surrounding. Even today also. They never going to see the face and then talk, man. What is Osta, it is Osta, it is Osta, Kenna Osta. They are going to talk. Have you ever saw such type of people? Maybe in our session also may be there. Yeah, dosa. Have you ever saw such type of people? They never going to, while talking, they never, eye contact, they never going to maintain. They won't see in our eyes. Just they are seeing somewhere. They are seeing down. They are seeing beside. They are seeing this side and then they are talking to opposite person. Too much, right? Introverts. They have the fear of mingling with the people. They know this lady is also same Maria lady. She is always, window is there just beside her cabin. Window is there. She is always seeing outside. Just outside, there is water. The people, employees can go there to the water and then chai. Such a type of place is there. She's always seeing. She's always having the jealousy, man. How the people are smiling, laughing, mingling, jokes. They're enjoying their life. But why my life is alone? Seriously, alone. I'm the alone in this world. Like she's always feeling. One fine day, she told to herself, I can't expect the people to come to me. I must go to them. I can't expect the people to come to me. I must go to them. Like he decided. She decided. And then what this lady did is, okay, why I have to stay something like a criminal in the prison kind of thing. Let me open my wings also. Like she started like, she went there and slowly she started talking with the people. Slowly she started talking with the people. Hi, how are you today? Immediately people smiled back. Conversation started. For years onwards, she sat in the same place. She seeing them, how the people are happy their lives. Why I have to be? She had the fear to talk with the people. Now, today, any case I require to talk with, like one fine day she decided, and then she went there. While taking water, hi, how are you? How is the day today? Like, then they smile back and they're talking. Those small conversations will become friendships. Her work became happier and her life became more enjoyable. Okay? So don't wait for others to begin. Smile first. Friendship requires initiative. Positive energy attracts people. Positive energy attracts people. The friendship you are waiting for may begin with your first smile. The friendship you are waiting for may begin with your first smile. So, how many Marias are there in our session? You can cross check. Don't wait the people to come. Approach the people, meet the people, talk with the people. Compulsory, because who are going to bring opportunities for you, man? Who are going to bring opportunities for you? People. People only, right? People only, right? Suppose tomorrow if you are having some problem, who are going to solve your problem, man?
People.
People only. Then you have to mingle, because we are not alone in the forest. We are not staying with the animals. We are staying with the people. From morning to evening, with the lakhs of people, with the hundreds of people, services we are using. We require show gratitude for them. Okay, talk with the people, mingle with the people, smile with the people, ask their well wishing kind of thing. Are how the things going on? What about your kids and so on? Yes, the total your world is going to be changed like anything. The world will become beautiful.